do you got there?
We got some mail. It came from Peter J. I'm sorry here. Either Gugliato or Gugliato. And he's in Central Square, New York, it says. Wow,
New York City!
New York City!
Remember that Paste Picante commercial a long time ago? Salsa in a jar.
Yeah, kinda, yeah.
Made in New York City.
That's
New
right.
York City.
I remember that now. Yeah, yeah. I do remember that. Okay. I missed opening it up over in the corner. Damn.
Build a car, but you can't open an envelope.
No, I work good with grinders. Holy, that is bright, man. It's probably the color he wants on the new shirts, maybe. Oh. Okay. Whew, is that a bright color? Whoa! Anyway, really enjoy your YouTube videos. As a car builder and a street rodder, I appreciate what you do. Here's some stickers from the clubs I'm in and 3 photos for you. Say hi to everyone. Awesome. Oh! My God! Anyone that has seen American Graffiti, you gotta tell me.
Her.
How do you not say that she's
Oh my God!
And you know
it says
what?
to Rick, he got a sign for you.
Holy shit, he did too. Oh, there she is now. I was gonna say, she hasn't changed a bit. Look at her.
Oh my God.
Now I wonder if he's out there watching, is that the original car or is that just, because there's so many clones, I'm just curious. Oh, there he is, look at, here he is with my shirt on.
Oh,
Oh my God.
that's so awesome.
That is awesome. I think by the looks, that could be the original car. I know that, oh, and look, he even gave me wristbands. Oh.
No, is that wristbands or is that?
I don't know, I'm assuming. What do we got here? What do we got here? Holy God, this, whoa! He's giving,
That is so cool.
Okay, we got the Right Coast Association. Another one of their stickers there. Here, I'll put them down here, maybe a little easier.
Oh, the battery's going.
The battery's going.
Yeah.
That figures. Okay, well, hey, thank you so much, Peter. He gave me a pamphlet, what's going on. I love it, man. I love it.
Oh, that's awesome.
I love it. Thank you so much. This means the world for me. You don't know what this movie, everything. If it wasn't for this, I wouldn't be this today. And I'll say it all day long. Thanks a lot, man. Really, honestly, thank you. Have a good time. It's always a good time, right? At Old Time. See ya.